Welcome to the Preventing Back Injury training course, your essential guide to maintaining a healthy back in the workplace. This course helps you understand how the back works, identify common injuries and learn effective prevention techniques. We'll cover how the spinal cord and nerves function, the role of vertebrae and discs, and the impact of strain and fatigue on your back. Discover risk factors like poor physical fitness, bad posture, and improper lifting. All right, let's dive into proper lifting techniques. First, assess the situation. Then, test the weight to see if it's manageable. Remember to bend your knees, and finally, use your core muscles to lift safely. Got it? Great! We'll share personal prevention strategies like maintaining good posture, regular exercise, and reducing stress. A strong and flexible back can prevent injuries. Incorporate stretching and strengthening exercises into your daily routine. Enroll in the Preventing Back Injury training course today. Protect your back, improve your safety, and enhance your well-being at work. Visit our website and start your training now.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach courses.